एडिक्वेट रेस्ट बहुत ज़रूरी है हम सबके लिए। क्या आपने कभी महसूस किया है कि जो समय है वो भी रेस्ट लेता है? देयर इज अ टीनी विनी रेस्ट बिटवीन एवरी सेकेंड। एंड इन नेचर जब बारिश होती है देयर इज अ रेस्ट बिटवीन टू ड्रॉप्स ऑल्सो। When we breathe, then there is a rest in between two breaths. Our heartbeat also has a rest between each beat. When our eyes blink, there is a rest between each blink. When we walk, there is a rest between each step. When we drink water, there is a rest between each sip. When we write, there is rest between each word as we write. Waves of water also take rest between each wave they make. Just as we have night after day, our mind and body also need rest after a whole day of activity. Have you noticed when you are cooking in a pressure cooker, there is a rest between each whistle? Adequate rest is therefore very, very crucial to stay healthy and happy. Friends, when we exercise or do any physical activity, our muscles contract and expand, and there is a rest between this activity as well. The muscle is first stressed and the muscle is eased. Our internal organs work 24/7. Nature has beautifully designed them to take rest in between. From time to time, it is important to rest. If you remember, take rest. Everything in nature takes rest. For optimal health and to stay in the wellness zone, let's follow the rhythm of nature and take adequate rest to maintain a balance between our mind and our body. You know what? The smallest bridge between work and health is adequate rest. And what better than our bedroom, which allows us to sleep on the bed. And this is the most and the best wholesome therapy center for you, for your mind and body. So friends, make sure you take adequate rest, have a sound sleep, and sleep well so that when you get up, you're full of energy, full of happiness, and ready to work and ready to smile.